Oh, you guys are here. You know, at times it gets very irritating to listen to music like this, and sometimes you desire for a nice, good headphones. Well, headphones se yaad aaya. There are Dyson OnTrac headphones that were recently launched, and we did show you the first look of these headphones. And now, when we're talking about headphones, well, we did review it also. See this. So these are the stylish, head-turner, different and not cheap. By which I mean one of the most expensive Bluetooth headphones in India. Yes, and these are also cool as these are customizable design, and yes, on basics too, such as sound quality and ANC, the headphone gets it mostly right. So let's tell you more about these cool headphones, which are the Dyson OnTrac new headphones. Well, first up, the design of the Dyson OnTrac. The headphones do have unique design, there's no doubt about it, and they don't look like just another headphones. Take a look at it. More so, it's offering OnTrac in over 2,000 combinations, which means that you can customize its design where you can swap out the outer caps and ear cushions to create a color or color combination that you fancy. Yes, that's possible now. Also, in a way, it's good to match it up with the dresses that you wear. Isn't that exciting? So OnTrac no doubt has a futuristic design. Even though these are a bit heavy, they're still very comfortable to use and hold. And yes, the ear cushions are made up of soft fiber material, which is better for comfort than the latherite finish we usually see in any other headphones. And this cloth-like finish even solves the sweat ear problem, which people usually face with the leather cushion during extensive wear in travel or gym. But if you are someone who's fond of walking around with your headphones, well, resting on your neck, you may find the OnTrac too big and heavy. So yes, that you need to figure out. Well, moving on the touch controls, the OnTrac itself, there are a few controls including a power switch, touch panel and a joystick button which allows you to control music playback. Well, that becomes a little difficult, probably also because the button is on the smaller side, but once you're used to it, it works fine. Moving on to the main thing, the performance. The ANC works best, and yes, all goes quiet as soon as it's switched on. And more of this is due to these large ear cushions which feel like your ears are enveloped in a vacuum. That gives you very good performance for whatever you're listening on these headphones. OnTrac play music and fill our ears with sound we can enjoy, and this first audio-only device from Dyson almost excels in this job too. In some other genres, however, the sound can be flatter. Pursuits will love it. I did not so much, but Thunder and Believer by Imagine Dragons, the OnTrac sound felt a bit flat. Another show stealer with the OnTrac is its battery. I often use the OnTrac for about 4-5 hours a day, yet I charge them once every 4 to 5 days, which is very good. And on an estimate, I ended up charging the OnTrac once a week while using the ANC. This was really impressive, you know. And Dyson, as far as specs goes, promises about 50 hours of use with these OnTrac headphones, and even with ANC, which is activated. And you know what? That the battery charging of the headphones is the tiresome process which these get over with. Although the ear cups have all the buttons and touch controls, the Dyson also offers some more options in the companion app. In the app, there's the control panel for ANC, and for choosing a sound profile also for whatever you like and customize it as per what you want. So Dyson, as far as specs go, promises 55 hours of use with the OnTrac headphones, even with ANC activated. Now the question. Dyson OnTrac are worth buying? Should we buy it? Kya khareedein? Although it is a pricey, but they are worth buying. I told you they're expensive headphones, one of the most expensive. But having said that, I like its design. The comfort and the ANC is very impressive. Its sound quality in pop music is just very impressive. So if you're looking for a good full-size headphones with excellent noise cancellation and good audio quality, then should definitely check out the Dyson OnTrac. And like I told you, they are expensive, but the money that you're going to be giving in for this product, it's going to be worth it after you see the design, you see the performance, you see the battery life. It's just wow.